How to send pictures in Tinder chat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how we can send pictures in Tinder chat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you open up Tinder application and then you happen to match with a number of people, and once you've matched with a number of people, what happens over here is that, let's say you have them and then you want to send them a picture. Well, one thing that you have to understand here is Tinder doesn't allow users to send pictures directly in messages, and it is done for safety concerns and for security reasons. You will not be able to send messages. If you want to send pictures, you have to upload that picture somewhere and send them the link, because you can only send a text, right? Send them the link and then they'll be able to view that picture. Otherwise, they will not be able to view it. Or you can exchange social media platforms and you should be able to get with talking with them. This way you should be able to send pictures in Tinder chat. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.